Hi everybody, this is Will from Connor Hats, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a cloth hat.
There's a place far away from here.
Everything you need to clean your hat is probably already around your house. If not, a quick trip to the local hardware or grocery store will do the trick. Most of the cloth hats in the Connor Hat range are made from either an organic cotton, a synthetic material, or a hemp. The easiest way to clean any dust or sand is just a quick brush with our paintbrush, or you can pick the hat up, slap it against your leg and let the dust fall where it lands. Now I'm going to show you how to get an oil stain out of your hat. So if you happen to get a little excited while you're making a delicious pasta meal and you sling some olive oil, or you're working on your car and you get some grease on your hat, this is the best way I know how to get it out. First, we're going to take some baking soda. So we're going to sprinkle some baking soda over the stained area like this. Okay. Next, we're going to take a paper towel. We're going to put it over the stained area like this. Then we're going to get a nice hot iron set on cotton, and we're going to iron up this baking soda. So what should be happening is it's heating up and that oil is coming out, getting absorbed into the baking soda, and the paper towel is sort of protecting the mess that could be everywhere. So let's see how this first pass works. Once you've given it a good iron, and this may take a couple of tries to soak up all of the oil, open it up. Let's take off this baking soda. Get it all off. Look at that, it's actually working. So this is my second pass with the iron, and as you can see it's starting to work. The stain is a lot less. Probably do this 2 or 3 or 4 times and all of that oil will be gone and your hat will be good as new.